Hello, this is Dr. Behnam. We are joined today with one of our lovely patients who we have done couple sessions of PRP on him. And this is just purely PRP. And I just want to show that about 3 to 4 months later, this is the results you're gonna get. This is basically his own hair. And what you see is basically all this area where we've treated here, basically at the corners, all the way across through here and all the way down here. These are all his own hair that has just thickened up and basically grown out. So, and again, and you could play with it, style it as you wish. This is just your own hair. Typically with PRP requires several sessions done about 1 month apart. The results, you see the best results about 3 to 4 months later, and a lot of patients need about like a touch of about 6 to 9 months afterwards. So doing all that basically will give you results like this. And we're gonna show you the before and after photos basically on the screen so you could see the results. Okay, thank you so much. Have a beautiful day.